Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. If you need to disconnect Instagram account from the Facebook page, then this video will be helpful for you. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So, firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and you will see profile icon and then click on manage options. And then you will see setting option, click on it and then click on linked account, and then you will see my Instagram account is connected with Facebook page, so I will click on it and you will see the option of disconnect account. Click on it. So after confirm yes disconnect, so you can see Instagram account is disconnected. So go back and you will see no Instagram account is connected. So guys, in this way you can easily disconnect Instagram account from the Facebook page. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.